Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Andrea Brunell. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I am new to University of Hartford, but I am not new to teaching in higher ed. So please bear with me with just getting used to the flow of being at a new institution. I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you and getting to learn with you over the course of the next 7 weeks. And it's been really great to hear from a lot of you already in the introduce yourself discussion. So what I'm going to try to do is every week I'm going to try to post a video announcement like I'm doing right now, going over what I've seen in the previous week's assignments and giving a little bit of an overview about what's coming up. So for this week, you already know about introducing yourself. I see that a lot of people have already. You should be able to find all of your readings and assignments for Unit 1 in Canvas. You do have a quiz. There will be actually weekly quizzes in this course, nothing that you're not able to answer if you've done the readings. They're almost all short answers, so nothing super heavy duty for that. And I just want to really stress to you that this course really is about what you're learning as opposed to me getting you to do lots of sort of nitpicky kinds of assignments to test you. So I really want you to focus on what you're getting out of the course more than anything else. This is a master's degree level accelerated course. So I know that all of you really have strong backgrounds in what you're doing. I did notice that a lot of you are Montessori people, and that is one of our topics. So you will really be able to share with us a lot of information, I am sure. This week, you're going to be choosing your hot topic. I've seen the ones that have been selected so far, and they have been wonderful choices. And some of you have given some really interesting reasoning as to why you picked that hot topic. So I really do appreciate that. And I am looking forward to those presentations. You're going to have your theorist paper due on or before September 4th. And I see that many of you have chosen your theorists already, and I'm very excited to be able to look at those. So with regard to the hot topic selection, so you will have seen by now, I assume, an announcement I made about that. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be presenting those asynchronously. So what that means is that everyone in the class is going to be assigned a slot or assigned a time in weeks 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 to post their presentation in the discussion. And then all of us, myself and all of your classmates, will then comment or ask you questions about your hot topic presentation. So if anybody, as I said in the announcement, is like me and likes to really be ahead on assignments, you are welcome to volunteer for week 3 or week 4. I'll take volunteers first. And then at the end of the week, once I hear from whomever would like to go in week 3 and 4, voluntarily, I will then randomly assign everybody else. So my suggestion would be to begin your work on your hot topic presentation, as you could be assigned anywhere from week 3 to week 7. Also, you will note in my Meet Your Instructor announcement, I did put my personal contact information, including my personal email and my cell phone number. I do not have a University of Hartford email as of yet. As of today, I'm still joining you under the pseudonym of Dr. Paige Bray. Hopefully we will get that all sorted out really soon. I hope it's not confusing anyone. But if you need to reach out to me, send me an email. I will usually respond to you within the hour, at very latest within the day. If you want to talk or FaceTime, I'd be happy to set up that time. I have office hours that you don't need to make an appointment for. You can just pick up the phone and give me a call, and I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. In general, I'm just really excited to be part of this course and to learn with you for the next 7 weeks. And please let me know if there's anything I can do to make this course deeper or richer for you. And if you have any questions, again, I'm always available. It's so nice getting to meet you and getting to know you. And I look forward to the rest of our 7 weeks together. Have a great day.